So, is it possible or not fixing a jacket and shoe stand along with two little naughty kids by having them around? So, this is all about this vlog, and this is the final product which we are expecting. So, hey friends, welcome to Lalita Krishna Vlogs. So if you like this video, please do like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell icon. So in this vlog I'm going to show you how we have fixed a jacket stand by having two naughty kids around. I hope you will be having a lot of fun. So here you see my son and my husband has unpacked the items, and my son is looking at the items right now. So let's ask him what he wants looking at it. Em chestunnao? Huh? Nana em chestunnadu? Nana fit chestu. Em fit chestunnadu? Idi choosedi ochindi adi choose pettandi. Idi jerkin pettandi. Jerkins shoes pettadanika? నీకొచ్చా ఫిట్టింగ్? మరి నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు? చూస్ ఏం చేస్తావు? ఏ చూపించు ఎలా ఉంటుందో. Okay. అన్ని ఫిట్ చేసేయాలా? ఎవరు చేస్తారు? ఓకే okay, fine. So now he knows what needs to be fixed. He is also curious to fix them with his own hands using a screwdriver. Isn't it so funny? But anyways, kids won't listen to our words. So see what he's trying to do with the screwdriver. Heater esava? Em chestunnao? Huh? So now our friend Raman and his son Sham also joins the fitting session. So let's say it will be too much fun, two kids joining the session and allowing these adults to fix it. So here you are saying the brainstorming session is happening. So let's see what they are going to discuss. So the brainstorming is done, and they have identified what needs to be fixed in which area, and it has been clearly mentioned in the manual, like the screws are named alphabetically, but still if you see here it has been wrongly assembled. Oopsie. Nevertheless, the screws has been reversely assembled, so they are going to fix it by removing them and attaching it again. So once they have identified the correct way of doing it, they finally assemble the foot bench successfully. So here you can see it has got two shelves and on a foot bench on top of it, so that they can sit and wear the shoes. Here if you see again, there is a lot of confusion which rod to use, M or N, or which screw to use, R or S. Considerably everything has been labeled, but still when it comes to the assembling, the concentration deviates. But these two people are still struggling to get it fixed on time. So I hope they will be reaching it on time. So let's see. And here also you can see Abhi and Sham are desperately trying to deviate the concentration by asking something or the other, but it's how it has to be. And these are the packets which I have mentioned you about the labeling of the items with alphabetical. So it's super easy and super quick as well. First you will get a glance of what it is. So here they are trying to fix the top stand. This is the stand where we have to hang the jackets. Basically it consists of two options, like two sub racks itself. Totally consists of 6 plus 6, 12 jackets can be hanged at a time. So now see, this is the one which I have told you, like this is the supporting stand one, and supporting stand another will be coming on the top of it. So you need to fix this two supporting stands and fix the hangers as well. Here they will be mentioning the manual is like it's very informative, but still you have to figure it out, like where it goes, which one. But anyways, they have done all the two fixing of the two supporting stands, and now they are fixing the hangers, so it's almost getting to be done. Okay, so finally they have achieved it. So the final product is like this, and these are the two people who has fixed it with the help of two little ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll provide you this link, the description of the item which we have purchased. If someone is interested, you can have a look at it. So friends, this is the vlog for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you watching for this video. And if you like it, please do like the video, and see you in next vlog. Final ga enni gantalo chesaru meeru? 1 hour lo. Okay.